Checking. Alright. What's up, cookerist? It's been a while. So, yes, our previous episode was how to make steamed persimmon cake, but it was an epic fail, but it's eatable, so it's okay. It's eatable. Okay, anyway, never mind the wire and everything. So for today's episode is where do I keep looking? Okay, here. So we will be trying instant noodles. This is from the Philippines. I mean, the product is from the Philippines, but if you read it closely, there is Noodles Instantaneous. So maybe this is an export. Lucky Me chicken. I don't know which country. Yes, so this. So we will compare this from a Vietnamese style, but this is actually instant rice noodles. So atin na pong himayin. So for the first part, this is 60 grams. That's why it has a bigger package maybe. And this is about 55 grams, so just 5 grams, but this packaging is bigger. And for the price, most likely Japan rate, they're both the same. Yes, so the size, they're different, but the color, they look similar. See that? The logo is here, then their logo is here, and then the picture of the chicken, but the chicken flavor of this doesn't have the line over here. Okay, and everything. And this has halal, the Vietnamese one, yes, because most of them are Muslims, I think. Sorry, excuse my hair. And then of course Lucky Me has halal also. Halal means you can eat this. It's not forbidden in Quran, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Okay, I think that's the packaging. And by the way, there is artificial chicken flavor, and this is no artificial flavor according to the package here, but I'm not sure. Anyway, and they're both exports, so yeah. First, let's check Philippines. What's inside it? We will cook it later, but I just want to see everything. Okay, it's recording, right? Okay. So first, let's take out the noodle. This is the classic one. Oh, sorry for that. Don't worry, there's a plate. Para wala talagang masayang. So this is the classic noodle. I see that classic. Okay, let's just remove everything. Yes, the curly, typical instant noodles. Yes, and it's white. Yeah, because it's flour. And then we have this is it, the seasoning pack, and there's green line. I don't know what's the meaning of that. And then there's black. I don't know what's the meaning. So maybe black means the flavor is strong. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So just these two. And for the Vietnamese instant noodles we have here, let's open. There's also black something, maybe strong flavor. Okay. Oh, smells so what do you call, native or something. The noodle is different, yes, because it's a rice noodle. This is their noodle. This is extra layer of protection, yes, but the size is they're different, absolutely. And there's two packaging. There's the flavoring oil, and there is the soup base. Now this is fancier than this, because the flavor of this I know, not the flavor, because this has more on the inside, and this is just this. Okay, so for the packaging and everything, the winner is this one. Yes, because for the same price, almost the same price, and then you have this kind of authentic experience just for an instant noodle, you know, because not all of us can go outside and enjoy various cuisines, so we try this one, and it's cheaper. It's not that healthier, but it's better than no food at all, or maybe no food is better than having an unhealthy food. Anyway, that's not today's episode is all about. So first, we got to do the physical comparison. So for this one, I vote for the Vietnamese chicken Vietnamese style instant rice noodle. Yes, because you know this looks fancier. Anyway, the important thing here is the taste. Do they taste the same, or who tastes better? And whether this export quality Lucky Me noodle is the same as the Lucky Me noodles back in the Philippines. Do they have, you know, those things? So we're gonna compare them now. Yes, so we're gonna cook it. Let's go to the kitchen. Come on, vamonos. So it's very quick because it's an instant noodle, and you can't see my face again because this is my way of no budget show, and yeah, I'm walking around if you can hear some footsteps. Okay, so here it is, our Asian noodles. Yes, because if it's not Asian, then maybe it's pasta. So this is the Filipino instant noodles. Yes, lucky me, lucky you, lucky us. And this is the Vietnamese rice noodle. Wow, I think I have my bias already. All right, so first things first, I don't like the color. This is not what I imagine Lucky Me would look like, because, oh, okay, no, not for physical. Again, after we cook them, I still prefer the Vietnamese, this one, Shazam. that, and all the, you know, there's still tiny bits of, maybe this is like an egg and then spring onion, but this is bare as it is. But if you add more, then maybe it will be, you know, fancier to look. Okay, let's try the soup. Yes, this is the Lucky Me noodles back in the Philippines, no doubt. Now let's try the Vietnamese. It's my first time. Let's see if I find it pleasing. Not bad, not bad. I think there's lacking. There should be a patis, like, what do you call that one? How do you call patis? Like fish sauce. Yes, fish sauce. It lacks fish sauce. So for the taste of the soup, I'll go for lucky me, lucky you. Maybe because I'm not used to Vietnamese soup flavor, so for this noodle, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. And for the noodle, speaking of which, okay, my neighbor is cleaning, so if you can hear any noise, then that's probably them cleaning. Okay, for the noodles, the taste of the noodles. Good, as expected. And then the Vietnamese. I prefer the Vietnamese noodles. I don't know, it's just, it plays in my mouth. There's softness to it, and then the size of this noodle is very interesting, and it's something new for an instant noodle for me, because I often see this in pasta, but it's a Vietnamese noodle. And here, there's nothing special to it. It's good, but I just prefer this one. Alright, now the ultimate test actually is when we mix this with our cha-jang. Can you see the rice? Yes, the rice, of course. So remove everything, and ta-dang, here's Mr. Rice. Tell me you're a Filipino without telling me you're a Filipino. You're eating some ramen noodle with rice. So taste test. I think I would choose Lucky Me, because, you know, this is how we do it. Noodles with rice, rice with noodles. As expected, this is the taste that I want. Awesome. Next is our Vietnamese. There you go. Of course, the soup. I don't know what it tastes with the rice, but I think everything with rice is good. But which do I prefer? That's our million-dollar question. This tastes not bad with rice as well, though it's a rice noodle with rice. Too much carbs. No. Verdict. The winner for this taste with rice is Lucky me! Omedetou! Congratulations, lucky me. Jajang! Lucky me won this round. I mean, yes. And the overall winner actually with everything is this. For physical appearance, it's this. It's really, you know, it looks good. But in terms of taste, this. So this reminds us that any food that you want to eat, though appearance matter, but it's always the taste that will make the dining experience great. So whatever your meal today, even it doesn't look good, remember it tastes good. And if it doesn't mean that it looks good, it tastes great. You know what I mean? Just try everything. Now I will finish this, and for you to see me finish everything, you have to visit, or you have to check out the food ASMR, because I think I'm thinking of playing or uploading videos me eating again. So I think this is the first video, like the season 2. Okay, season 2 instant food. Let's try to do that. Yeah, why not? Let's try. See you in season 2 of our food ASMR. And yes, you have to see my face now. See you in food ASMR, okay? Yes.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.